Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable two-step verification or authentication on Shopify. How to disable two-step authentication on Shopify. First thing you do is log into your Shopify account at shopify.com, log into your credentials and to this very page. And from this page, click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then click on manage accounts. And then you see security, click on security, then on this side, go down to the two-step authentication. It will be on. What rating will be on? So just click it, simply turn it off. What rating will be on? Right now, mine isn't on, that is why it's showing off. But yours would have been on by then, so just click it, tap it off here. That will be on screen prompt. As simple as that. If you found this video helpful, if you did like, subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.